In this short video, David Jumper will talk about the Alavida patch and the Alavida regenerating system. Alavida takes an entirely new approach to skincare. Our scientific proven formulations improve the health of your skin from the inside out and the outside in. The Alavida patch is part of the Alavida regenerating trio. For best results, use in conjunction with the complete Alavida regenerating trio kit.
Next patch here, we've got the Alavida patch, which this patch is placed on the pineal gland. So you simply, or on the back of the neck. But the benefit of this patch is that it helps to activate the pineal gland. The pineal gland releases approximately 150 anti-aging substances into the body. And one of them, by the way, is melatonin, which improves skin, among other substances that this helps release into the body. So this is our skincare patch. That also, the skin is really the outward appearance of the body's anti-aging, okay? So the outward appearance of the body's anti-aging is amazing with the Alavida patch. However, the outward appearance is also, sort of symbolic of what's happening inside the body. So by wearing this on the third eye or on the back of the neck, now if it's during the day, you're probably going to wear it at the back of the neck, but you don't want to wear this in the day anyway, because the Alavida patch should be worn at nighttime because it elevates melatonin. This is going to help you sleep. So you can wear this instead of Silent Night's patch. So this can be worn here or on the back of the neck, and it'll help you sleep at night. You'll find that I find myself with the Alavida patch that it does make it can make my dreams more visual and a little bit more real, when I put it on my third eye, okay? But this is a great spot if you want really true, amazing real life dreams. Or you can try it on the back of the neck, maybe it'll be a little lesser. But I can tell you one thing, when I first started wearing this, the Alavida, at nighttime, my sleep would just be so deep, and dreaming would be amazing. So incredible product for helping with your skin, but also, many, like I mentioned, there's approximately 150 anti-aging substances that can be released from your pineal gland, and it's in the center of your brain. It's shaped like a pine cone. That's why it's called the pineal gland. It's very small in the middle of your brain. It's also believed to be the human's spiritual connection to God, or the universe, and basically that is incredible benefit that people want to help enhance, because fluoride and other things can calcify your pineal gland. You want to keep that active and stimulate that with the Alavida patch. Now there's also a cream available, the Alavida cream, day and night cream, with this, and I highly recommend that. It's amazing day and nighttime cream along with the Alavida patch.
Back in 1989, I got really sick. So over the years, they put me on a lot of different treatment. It was horrible, a lot of different procedures done. So over the time, not just health-wise, but also skin-wise, I was suffering. And, for me, it was very important to look good. So I put a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of money into different skincare products. But I've really never ever found that one product that took care of my problems until I found LifeWave. So I'm really excited because my skin was aging at a rapid speed. When you're on different treatment, your skin just gets older really quick. Not just your joints are hurting and things like that, but your skin is suffering, and we're living in a very dry area. So I had a double whammy. So for me, it was important to do a lot of research and using so many different products, spent so much money on it, but I was never happy. It looked like every year I got older, my skin looked 2 years older. So it was going rapidly, and it was just very important for me always, my whole life, to look and feel good. When I look in the mirror, I see a major difference just after 2 weeks. So I love products where you put it on and you feel a difference. And in general, with skincare, you don't have that. So LifeWave is a solution for my problem. My skin looks so much better, and just after 2 weeks, my fine lines are disappearing. My skin looks like just so much more beautiful and glowing than I ever did. So it was rapidly that I could see a difference. It was instant. I could feel, my skin getting softer. It's the first time I put it on. And I've never had this. And with the patch in conjunction, I actually feel my skin tightening from the inside out. I don't really know how to describe that feeling, but it feels like everything is tightening, everything is pulling, everything is more moist. So it's from the inside out. That's all I can say. It's very difficult to describe what you feel, so you got to just try it.
Cool. I'm happy I met you guys, David and Nikki. This is the highlight. This is the highlight of my thing right here. I hope
It's the highlight of my day, for sure.